Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent others from replying to your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're looking to control engagement or simply want a quieter experience, these steps will help you manage who can reply to your posts seamlessly. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all features smoothly. Once inside, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, scroll through your posts and locate the one where you want to disable replies. Once you've found it, tap on the post to open it fully. Look for the option labeled Change Who Can Reply. This setting allows you to control who can interact with your post. Now select only accounts you mention. By choosing this option, only users explicitly mentioned in your post will be able to reply. If no accounts are mentioned, replies will be completely disabled for that specific post. This is a great way to prevent unwanted interactions while still allowing engagement from specific individuals. And that's it. You've successfully limited replies on your post. You can repeat these steps for any other posts where you want to restrict replies. Remember, this feature gives you more control over your online conversations and helps create a more tailored experience on X. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from learning about these settings.